Encountering missing msvcr100, DLL and msvcr110. DL files on Windows 11. I'll share fixes to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for quick solutions to ensure your system operates smoothly without encountering these DLL errors. Open the Start menu from the taskbar and select its pinned Settings app. Select the Windows update. If there are optional updates listed there, click the Download and Install buttons for them. Select the Check for Updates option to install other available updates. The msvcr110 DLL missing WOMP error will be solved. Select the Check for Updates option to install other available updates. The msvcr110 DLL missing WOMP error will be solved. Click the Recycle bin icon on your desktop, type msvcr110 DLL in the Recycle bin search box. If your search finds the file, right-click msvcr110 DLL and select the Undo Delete option for it. To open the search tool, click the magnifying glass icon on the taskbar. Input the keyword CMD in the search tool's text box. Click Run as administrator for the command prompt search result. Then input this deployment image servicing command and hit Enter. Next, run the system file scan by entering this command and pressing Enter. Wait for the scan to do its stuff and display an outcome. Press Windows, then type Windows Security and open the top result. Select the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the left side, followed by Scan options on the right side. Select the Radio button for the full scan option. Press the Scan Now button. Open the download page for Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 Redistributable Update package in a browser and click the Download button on that web page. Select a VC_Redist, x64, exe, 64-bit, or VC_Redist, x86, exe, 32-bit, download option, depending on your system architecture. After downloading the package, launch File Explorer by pressing the Windows and E keys simultaneously. Open the folder that includes Visual C++ you just downloaded. Click the downloaded Visual C++ package to open the installer. Select the I agree checkbox and press the Install button. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.